and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and with me is Dr. Jared Shatkin and Nick Carzo. Many of you know Nick Carzo from years past. Nick worked at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T for many years as a salesperson and then became our sales manager for his last couple years with Shatkin F.I.R.S.T, and now he's agreed to come back to join us as our Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. Nick, we're so delighted to have you back with us on our team. You've been a friend of the Shatkin family for a long, long time. You and Jared actually were roommates in college and played football together. Right. How many years ago was that now?
Oh, geez, close to 10 years, but I'm super thrilled to be back. I'm so excited to reconnect with many of you that I already know, help you with dental implants, grow your practice, and I'm also super excited to meet a lot of you that I have not met yet. So I'm grateful for the opportunity, and I'm super pumped to get to work.
Well, Nick, you took a couple years off from us, and you learned a lot more, too, because you worked for another major implant manufacturer for a while.
That's right. I spent almost 3 years at the Straumann Group, and the experience and the knowledge I learned was immense, and I'm so excited to bring it to here and help you all and grow your practice.
A lot's happened with you in your personal life too. You're married, you're having a baby coming soon.
Yes, that's right. A lot of exciting things happening in and outside of the office, and we're just super thrilled to be back and
moved in a new house and all that
stuff. That's right, that's right. Things are moving along.
We're pretty excited for you, Nick, and like I said, we're just super thrilled that you're coming back with us, and we're happy to have you back. We're going to do a lot of great things in 26. We've already started, as many of you noticed. We lowered our implant prices. We've got more aggressive pricing on implants and lab work. And we've partnered with new partners in Shatkin F.I.R.S.T to help bring you the very finest quality restorations and implant work anywhere in the world. So, you know, I'm excited. I'm very excited. And Jared has come up with some great ideas. Jared, talk to him about the Case Vision 360 plan.
Case Vision 360, yeah, it's a big plan. So basically what I'm going to do is upon request, I know I said it last week, but you guys can send your cases in, and I will talk you through the case. I'll go through the bone density, bone mapping, why I'm picking a certain implant, why I'm picking a certain size. And if you guys would like that, I can basically walk you through a case, and you can watch the video over and over again so you're prepared by the time the patient comes in the office.
Yeah, I was talking about that. You know, I really like to review my cases the night before surgery, and then I go through it again the morning of. So this is a great way for them to just do a quick review at home. If you send them a video on their phone or a text message or email, they can look it over and refresh their memory before the patient comes in, and then they can do the surgery. It'll make it much easier for them.
Yeah, and also I'm here to collaborate with you guys. If you have any questions about why I picked a certain size, or if you kind of want to change the treatment plan a little bit, I'm happy to hear your thoughts, happy to hear your questions, and I'm ready to get you guys prepared for your patients.
And as always, I'm also here with Jared, case planning your cases, and you have access to both my cell phone and Dr. Jared's cell phone, which you'll see on the screen. So if you ever have a question at any time, day or night, except for try to let me sleep a little bit in the night, but I used to say I'm available 24 hours, but you can text us or call us anytime, really, especially when you have a patient in the chair. If you're running into any situation, you need some immediate advice, we're here to help you as always. And the next thing I want to mention is, don't forget, we have a big course coming up February 27th and 28th right here in Buffalo, and we would love to have you come. We're doing the first day complimentary. If you want to come on the first day, it's complimentary, and the second day is half price. So it'll only be $4.95 for the 2 days if you want to come to Buffalo and spend 2 wonderful days with us. And don't forget, we have our brand new training center. We have our big hands-on training center that we built this past year. And of course, as always, we'll do live surgery in our operating room, and you can either watch it on the screens, the big screens in the lecture hall, and I'll take a select few of you right down chair side, and you can work with me right in the operating room. And of course, we'll have Jim Tharp here with us as well, lecturing with me and Jared and a whole group of other people. So we will see you on February 27th and 28th, but I'll see you next time on the Monday Morning with Nick Carzo.
That's right. I'm fired up to meet you guys. Please check your calendars if you can make it to February. I would love to introduce myself and tell you how we can help you grow your practice with mini dental implants.
That course is filling up quick, so get signed up now. We'll see you next week.
See you guys.